Hello and welcome to episode 4. This is Dr. D and I'll show you something new today. In episode 1 you learned what I or what you or what other people do every day. Like I get up at 6 o'clock every day, I like tea, I like coffee, I always drive to work and so on. But today you will learn what you say when you hear something or you see something that is going on now. Like, oh look, the sun is shining. The sun is shining. You remember from episode 3, I am, you are, he is, and so on, or I'm, you're, he's, she's, we're, short forms, the short forms for I am, you are. Now, you must add something. You must say, I'm sitting here. Look, I'm sitting here. I'm speaking to you, and you are listening at the moment, now, right? So you call this the progressive form. Forget it. Just remember what it is. I'm sitting, and so on. So, look, I'm drinking a cup of coffee, and you can see it. I'm drinking a cup of coffee. I drink coffee every day. Now, I'm drinking coffee, okay? I'm drinking coffee. Can you say that again? Okay. So it's I'm, you are, and so on. And you can say, Dr. D is drinking coffee. Dr. D is drinking coffee. So let's see. I have a nice telephone here, by the way. My old telephone. This is fantastic. Listen to the sound. I love it. Oh, it's not this electronic sorry, that was a German word. The electronic things like the mobiles and tablets and so. No, this is my fantastic old telephone. Let's put it here. And okay, I call someone, or let's say somebody is calling me. Hello? Yeah, this is D. Yeah, Dr. D. Okay. I'm drinking coffee. Yeah, and I'm reading the newspaper. I'm reading the newspaper. And what are you doing? Oh, you are working in the garden? You are working in the garden? Ah, the sun is shining. It's not raining. It isn't raining. It isn't raining and the sun is shining. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You see, when you tell somebody, when you say what you're doing now, then you must use the ing form. Doing, listening, calling, drinking, and so on, right? So now you can read here what I'm doing. Now, look here. Dr. D is sitting at his computer, okay? So, you read there, okay? Okay, now there were 3 things. First, Dr. D is sitting and working at his computer. Number 2 was he is listening to some music and he is reading the newspaper. Okay? Right, so I called somebody with my perfect telephone here. Okay, it's a bit complicated, but I can do that. Wait, the number I'll call Sayo, my friend Sayo. Hi. Yeah, it's me, D. Uh-huh. How are you? Everything okay? I'm speaking to Sayo. This is Sayo, my friend. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, and what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're working. Uh-huh. You're working in the garden? No. You aren't working in the garden. You're working in your office. In the office. Okay. And Susanna? Susanna is working in the garden. Okay. And what about your sons? What are your sons doing? Hello? I can't hear you. Now, yeah, it's better. Oh, they are playing football. The sons are playing football. Okay? The sons are playing football. Is that so? Oh, me? Oh, I'm doing episode 4. Yeah, for my learners. Yeah, they are sitting at the computer. And I'm talking to them. And now I'm calling you. All right? Okay. Well, see you next week. Was it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday? When was it? Okay, Wednesday. In the evening or in the afternoon? Yeah, okay, let's say 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Good. Yeah. All right. Well, say hello to Susanna and the boys. Okay. Bye. Bye, Sayo. My beautiful... Hello? Okay. My beautiful telephone. I love it. Okay, I'll put that away now. And let's see what you have learned today. Okay. First, you use the forms of episode 3, like I am, short I'm. You remember? I'm Dr. D. I'm Susanna. I'm Bum. And now you put the ing form at it. Like, I'm sitting here and I'm drinking coffee. I'm drinking coffee. The long form is I am drinking coffee. But it's much nicer to say, I'm drinking coffee. I'm, okay? Now here are all the forms. I'm drinking coffee. You're drinking coffee. He is drinking coffee. And you know the long form is he is, okay? She's drinking coffee. Well, it's not drinking coffee. We, you and me, we are drinking coffee. You are drinking coffee. And they are drinking coffee. They're all drinking coffees, okay? This is a very nice new part of our grammar in English, all right? You want some more? Okay. Then read with me, okay? Just read what you see here. What is Joe doing? This is the question, okay? What is Joe doing? Joe is listening to music. Joe is listening to music. Now, television. What are the children doing? Some people say the kids, but children is a nicer word, okay? What are the children doing? What are the children doing? They are watching television. They are watching television. And do you remember, what is Susanna doing? In the garden. She's working in the garden. She's working in the garden. And Sayo's boys? Football. Yes, They are playing football in the garden. There, this is they are playing football in the garden. All right? I think that's enough for today. See you in episode number 5.